I am Mason Lambert. Welcome to some extensive weather coverage. We have a severe thunderstorm warning now in effect for almost most of St. Genevieve County until 4:15. At 3:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Farmington, moving east at 30. Hazard ping pong ball sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So there is still some winds in this storm. This warning is in effect for Libertyville, Rocky Ridge, Welgren, Bloomsdale, Kaufman, Womack, River, Oxvaces, St. Genevieve, and Mineth. And we're starting to see white on the radar, which means we're starting to see more hail out of this storm, it looks like. So 1.5-inch diameter hail possible in that storm. The radar is showing 3.75 is possible. And it's saying 100% chance, but this is far away from any radars, so I would take that number with a grain of salt because of that being said. The other storm that we are watching is near Steelville, Missouri. That one had a severe thunderstorm warning earlier. The storms are moving into St. Genevieve County right now. Earlier were tornado warned for Rolla, but we right now do not have right now we don't have clear cut rotation. So the chance of a tornado warning this morning is slim to none for our viewing area. So it is, again, slim to none. The main threat's going to be the hail this morning. And we also do have damaging winds. So definitely something to watch as you guys continue to get ready for today. There is some severe thunderstorm warnings in areas in parts of the Kansas City metro. Those storms are going to be those storms are packing 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail by how the warning information is. So those storms are stronger going through the Kansas City area right now. We have a hail core just to the east of Farmington now. So that's going to move into Randolph County within the next hour or so. We do have rain currently in the Randolph and Jackson County areas. So that could go ahead and help a little bit with the storm threat. I'm not going to lie. I think our guidance is surprised that we're still having these severe thunderstorms even towards the Mississippi River, which this is what it's doing right now. We have a severe thunderstorm warning, and it's about to cross the river. So we may get a new severe thunderstorm warning here within the next 30 minutes or so. Obviously, 30 minutes or less, we could see a severe thunderstorm warning. And then the southern appendage here is where the hail is. Is where we're seeing the hail, and that's just where we're seeing that. So if you have to get on the road within the next several hours, there is some things that you're going to have to know. We do have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin, Gasconade, and Warren until 4:30. At 3:41, a severe thunderstorm was located over Swiss, or 7 miles south of Herman, moving northeast at 25. Hazard 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail is the main threat, with those storms are heading towards Weldon Springs. Heading towards Weldon Springs. We still have this severe thunderstorm warning from earlier until 4 a.m. for northwestern St. Genevieve County and central St. Francis County until 4. At 3:47, a severe thunderstorm was located over Farmington, moving east at 30. So this is going to be a slow moving storm for your Monday commute. So if you guys have to get out of the house anytime soon, you're going to want to Missouri and Illinois. This is in Missouri and Illinois where these storms are currently at. This is Illinois. This is Missouri. Right here. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Genevieve and St. Francis counties through 4:15. The reason why they didn't issue a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County is beyond me. But I think the National Weather Service thinks that this will weaken as it gets closer to the river, which so far that is proving futile. That remains to be seen, and we have a little bit of something forming on the northern part of this, but it's not. I think this is more of a conditional severe thunderstorm. So that's definitely something we'll have to watch with the hail, because there is a hail threat with this storm right now. And all right, so Steelville, you'll be seeing these storms around 4:45. So 4:45 is when you guys will be seeing that. Did they just shorten that? Okay, so they. Okay. Okay, so there was a report of golf ball sized hail 3 miles southeast of Farmington. So they just shortened the shortened the warning. I think they're going to also I think they're also going to expand the the new warning into that considerable tag. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect for western and central Missouri. That's in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. So we do have a new watch that has just came out. And that is due to there being severe thunderstorm warning That's due to current warnings being in effect in that region. And there's a lot of storms in the Kansas City metro right now. And these storms that are currently about to move into Randolph County aren't lighting up. So 1.75 inch diameter hail is possible at the southern part of the storm. And we did just get an update to show that we got that possibility there. So that's definitely something that we're going to see all morning. We're probably going to see more storms that pop up like this. So the best course of action is to stay with the storms as they continue to move closer and closer to southern Illinois, because we do have these going on. The rest of the area, this is what we're looking like right now. We have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect till 4:15. Until 4:15 for St. Genevieve and St. Francis counties. We have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for St. Francis County until 4 o'clock this morning. Golf ball sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts are possible. The golf ball sized hail is observed, while the radar indicated part is the 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Okay, so Randolph County, prepare for winds, some damaging winds, because they're looking at so for our region. So just prepare for that, and just prepare for that as they move into our area. All right, give me one moment. I'll be right back. All right, we're back here in the weather center now. So we still have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 4:15. Will this warning be extended? Likely. It will likely be extended. But golf ball sized hail is no longer looking like a main threat for this storm. By the way, it's looking on radar now. Well, it's moved out of that polygon now, so it is no longer in that polygon. So that should be good with that storm. However, this one near Burr. Okay, it's behaving. Okay. So our only concerning storm is in St. Genevieve and St. Francis counties right now. Mostly now in St. Genevieve County exclusively. So that is going to move into Perry County, just near Perryville, and into Chester and Steelville and Percy areas. That's going to continue to move into the region as we continue to go ahead and go through the morning. We're still looking at some hail in parts of the storm, so definitely a storm to watch. We have the northern flank of it in Randolph County now. Yeah, this part is about to move out of the warning area, so I'm interested in what they are going to do with what information they have. And Paducah is also going to have to also advise for Perry County here. So definitely a storm to watch indeed. We're going to continue to watch this very closely as it continues to move through the area. Okay, so guys, not to alarm you guys, but these storms have a shelf cloud. This storm is strong enough that it has a shelf cloud. I am looking at it from the Perryville camera. I wish I could show it to you on screen, but it says not for broadcast without owner permission. So definitely something to watch here, guys. So that is about to move into Perry County, into Perry and Randolph County. What are they doing? Sorry, the people running the camera just turned it a whole different direction. So we can't really see the shelf cloud anymore, but we know there is one. So okay, so give me 1 second real quick. Okay, so we're still continuing to follow this severe thunderstorm. Um, I'm gonna be honest. The shelf cloud should be enough of a tall tale sign that this storm means business. So if you guys live in southeastern St. Genevieve County into Randolph County, you're going to want to prepare for this storm. It is gonna it's gonna pack winds of probably 50 to 60 mile per hour winds. And constant cloud to ground lightning is what we are expecting from this storm. And we don't expect anything less. They still have this severe thunderstorm warning out for considerable tag for the the thunderstorm had hail. They just issued a new severe thunderstorm warning. It's in effect for East Central St. Genevieve County. This is in effect for ping pong ball sized hail. I think it should also say 60 mile per hour wind gusts. I guess they're not seeing severe thunderstorm capabilities in this northern extent. So that's a little bit of good news. I don't know what they issued this for 1.5-inch diameter hail. Honestly, this storm will be moving into Perry County soon, so I think at any moment Paducah is going to jump on this warning and go ahead and issue a extension into Perry County, because if you look at the radar, if you have radar Omega and you can look at the camera, there is definitely something there. There's also tornado warnings in western Missouri, in eastern Missouri, in western Missouri, near St. Joseph. Well, we also have that going on. Again, a storm is about to move into Perry County from St. Genevieve County. This storm is it's a very healthy storm, to say the least. So this is definitely a storm to prepare for. Yes, it's definitely for. There is also rain showers in Randolph County already, so that's probably why they didn't go with a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County, at least yet. I think there may be a chance that we could get a severe thunderstorm warning at some point here, but the National Weather Service isn't pulling that yet. Yeah, St. Louis, I don't know what Paducah, I don't know what they're doing right now in the office, but this severe thunderstorm warned storm this severe thunderstorm warned storm is heading in there. All right, here we go. Perry County is now under a severe thunderstorm warning for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar sized hail. So severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near St. Genevieve to near Kaufman, moving east at 35. So we do now have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County. We did just get a shortening of the severe thunderstorm warning. They are still, all right, here we go. New severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for Randolph, Perry, and Illinois, Perry County, Missouri, probably. I don't know what this is being issued for, and there we are. This severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for the next 6 hours. This is in effect until 10 a.m. This is in effect until 10 a.m. And this is, I think, an extension of the watch from Kansas City. And it is no, it is not. This is a new watch in effect here. So we are now under a severe thunderstorm watch through 10 a.m. So we have okay, so yeah, right now our storm action is currently all right, so we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect now for pretty much all our western counties. So give me 1 second here. We are still watching the storm that is moving into Perry County. I'm going to real quick go ahead and move the cursor onto this. This is moving into Perry County now. This is in effect for a majority of Perry County, it looks like. So this severe thunderstorm watch, I don't have well, we're still okay, they issued a new severe thunderstorm watch until 10 a.m. 157 is for low risk of tornadoes, moderate risk of. We have a moderate risk for a lot of things here for this. There's been a lot of events where we've had 2-inch in diameter hail. I will be honest, we have seen that. In these storms and continue to watch it. They did issue the watch. That severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for Randolph, St. Clair, Monroe, and Perry counties in both Illinois and Missouri. All I'm going to say is that's not going to shut me up. If that's what you're asking me to do. I'm just relaying information that could be useful. So we still have some severe thunderstorm warnings in the area, and I think we may get an extension into Randolph County soon, as this part of it still is a little bit. I mean, at least a storm advisory would be would be plausible here. St. Louis issued it for a few counties. So that severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for Calhoun, Greene, Jersey, Madison, Monroe, Pike, Randolph, and St. Clair counties in Illinois. And it's in effect for virtually all of their Missouri counties. I think it's for these storms that are currently going through the area. The warning's now showing $half size hail possibility. So that's definitely something that we're going to have to watch as this continue, as these storms do continue to unfold. We are still seeing this line here. We're gonna real quick go ahead and go over to our warning wall. We have until 4:30 a tornado warning in effect for East Central Clinton and Central Cardwell. Do we just get a new tornado warning? No. Okay. We're going to go back to our region here. And this is where the pockets of hail is going to occur. So Chester, Steelville, Rockwood, prepare for some hail. That's what I'm expecting out of this storm at this time. So this is a storm to watch. This is also a storm to watch, and this is also a storm to watch now that is moving into St. Louis. And that's going to continue to go ahead and make its rounds into St. Louis. This is also we have also still have these storms moving into our region from St. Genevieve County into Randolph County. So right now we are still one moment. Let me see.
Until 10 o'clock this morning. Now, two different things led to the issuance of this severe thunderstorm watch. First of all, we already have some strong to severe thunderstorms in the neighborhood right now. We'll get to that in just a little bit. Also, a very menacing